Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and nothing beautifies a backyard more than lighting. And these HyBaiS solar firefly lights have really added a beautiful fairy tale feel to our new backyard. Now, we just recently remodeled our backyard as a gift to my parents, and one thing my mom really loves is lighting. So I got these. They're all connected by wires, and they all attach to the solar box that you can attach to a wall or spike into the ground. You can even detach the box and charge it. You don't have to take up all of the lights in order to do it. I love how easy it is to turn on. You can choose all these different settings to flicker on and off. The speed, it comes with a remote that you can choose if it does it fast, does it slow. You even have the one where it fades on and off. So I really appreciate that the remote allows you to schedule for how long you want the lights to stay on, whether it's 3, 5, or 8 hours. These are absolutely beautiful. It's not about really giving light to see necessarily, but really just adding a whimsical, beautiful ambiance to your backyard. It's great here by the tree line. We're gonna plant some plants behind them soon, and then they'll be kind of hiding in the foliage. It's really just going to be magical. I think if you're wanting to just add a little bit of light just to beautify your backyard, I think these are an excellent solution. They are weatherproof, they are durable, and they're simply beautiful. How could you say no? But that's just my point of view.